This is how I looked when I first started YouTube, and this is how I look today. I'm gonna share with you some simple but effective tips and tricks that I've learned throughout this journey so that you can use them to make your outfits look better instantly. Take a look at this outfit. Cardigan with tailored pants. 3 years ago, this would have been my go-to. But today, I would never dress like this again. Why? Because both the cardigan and the pants are very fitted. So the entire silhouette looks very restrictive and boring. I'm gonna first change the cardigan. This cardigan is a little roomier but not oversized. I also love the contrasting border, which gives a traditional cardigan an updated design. Immediately, you're gonna see this outfit look way better than the original. The silhouette looks more balanced and overall just looks more elevated. But if you're like me, already have a lot of traditional cardigans like this, do not throw it away. There's another way that you can keep the cardigan but add volume to the bottom. So I'm gonna switch it to wide leg pants. Now you can see the wide leg pants is gonna add volume to the bottom, and that is gonna give the entire outfit a more relaxed vibe and more modern look. But wait, here's a very important detail. Did you notice? You need to open up your neckline and show your collarbone. This is a very attractive part of your body that makes you look more feminine. Besides, you also want to open the bottoms. That's at the bottom. This is gonna cinch your waist, emphasize your waistline, and give you that hourglass figure. To look good in any outfits, you need to make sure you're wearing the right shoes. I have been looking forever for shoes that's walkable but also stylish. And this part of the video is sponsored by Vivaia. I'm gonna show you practical everyday outfits that you can wear to work or even for traveling. For my everyday commute, I love these black slip-on Chelsea booties. These are made of water-repellent fabrics, which is absolutely important because I live in northern New Jersey. We get lots of snow and rain in the winter. The upper is very stretchy and the design is slip-on. I like to pair this with my dark wash denim and wear with oversized sweaters. And when it gets colder, with my black jeans. And this immediately makes my legs look elongated. I can wear this in snow or rain for a long time. I also love these round-toe knee-high pull-on boots. If you're like me, wear skirts and dresses in the winter, these are heaven sent. Even if I'm wearing short skirt, I feel so warm because of the heat retaining technology. Pair them with black jeans or black leggings and pair it with longer outerwear, and this makes the entire silhouette look more streamlined. The shaft is made of stretchy fabrics. These fit like a glove. They're very easy to store. I can just fold over and put in a small box. Chocolate brown is one of my favorite colors for the winter palette. These brown booties, so easy to wear, goes perfectly with dark wash jeans or even with my skirt outfits in the winter. The toe box is a little wider and that fits my wide feet perfectly. I'm highly impressed how sustainable and eco-friendly Vivaia's shoes are. Every pair of their shoes is the reincarnation of 6 plastic bottles that come from the city waste or the ocean. Everything I'm wearing, the link is down below. Go to the website today and use my unique discount code. And this is part of their Black Friday promotion, the best price for the year, starting from 15% off with 1 pair, and it goes all the way up to 30% off when you buy 4 pairs. Volume is very subtle. When you add the right amount, you immediately get a much better outfit. But on the other hand, you don't want to go to the other end of the spectrum, which is too much volume. If you're wearing wide leg jeans and pair it with sneakers, your jeans are stretching you horizontally, and that's gonna make you look bottom heavy, and you're wearing sneakers, which typically have bigger toe shape. So this combination is not flattering because there is too much volume. Here's one thing that most women are underestimating its power, and that is a belt. When you don't use a belt, you probably won't notice much because this outfit looks totally fine. But when you do add a belt, you will instantly notice a very big difference. A belt immediately highlights your waist definition, which can instantly make your outfit look better. But if you're shorter like me, I'm 5'2" and my legs are short, defining your waist is absolutely critical. Because for anything you wear, loosely fitted or relaxed fit. They can easily make it look like your petite figure has totally disappeared behind all that fabrics. But when you add a belt, that's what brings out that petite figure. My biggest tip when it comes to choosing the right belt: color coordination. The easiest is to match the color of your belt with any of your accessories. It can be your bag or your shoes or both. By choosing the same color that goes with your other accessories, this will make your outfit look more intentional. You can also have fun and change different colors. This is a black belt. Now I'm gonna switch it to a brown belt. To make it look more coordinated, I'm switching to brown suede shoes. And this looks better with brownish bag. So now the same outfit, when I change the belt and the other accessories, you have totally different outfits. Besides belt, here's another thing. If you include it, they can totally transform your outfit, and that is jewelry. Now, here's a very big common misunderstanding. You only need jewelry when you are very dressed up, and you don't need them if you're wearing a very basic outfit. That is how I used to think, and I see a lot of women still making the same mistake. But actually, the more basic your outfit is, the more you're gonna rely on your jewelry and other accessories to elevate it. When you're wearing the most simple t-shirt, jeans, blazer, and most of us nowadays have a wardrobe full of neutrals, those pieces by themselves can look really plain and therefore entire outfit look just boring. But when you add the right amount of jewelry, that totally changes everything. And the key is to make sure your jewelry, whether it's a necklace, watch, or earrings, they are in harmony with the rest of your outfit. So if you're wearing a very simple outfit, you want your jewelry to add just that right amount of final touch. If you're wearing everyday kind of outfit, I would not recommend you wear jewelry that's very matchy-matchy. Especially when the jewelry comes in a set, it's best to save them for special occasions. Because they're so coordinated, they can make it look like you're trying too hard, and sometimes they can even age you. Instead, go with delicate, dainty jewelry. Even though these look very subtle, trust me, they are doing their job. They will still make your outfit look polished and make you look more put together. I have shared a lot of tips and tricks into this video, but there's a lot more I want to share with you. For example, today's video I have not covered what other styles that can make you look frumpy and you better stay away from them. And what is your body shape and how can you find the best style that suits your exact body shape. So watch another video and I will see you in this video.